In today's video, I'll teach you how to buy Christmas light on Amazon. First of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in amazon.com, press enter. Now you'll be led to the official website of Amazon. Make sure you're logged in to your account. So if you want to buy the Christmas light, what you have to do is search for it. Click on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is simply type in Christmas light. Now press enter. Now in this interface, you'll be able to see the results. You'll be able to find various options over here. You'll be able to find various Christmas lights. So what you have to do is simply find the Christmas light that you like the best. You can also compare the prices if you want. Once you find the Christmas light, click on it. Now you'll be able to find more details regarding that particular Christmas light. You can see over here, you'll be able to see the features. You'll be able to find these options like color, theme, brand, indoor-outdoor uses, special feature, light source, etc. You'll also be able to read about this item. You can see the informations over here. So read this if you want. Over here, you'll also be able to see the price. So simply select the color of your choice. Now once you select the color, also select the quantity. Click on the field of quantity. Now after you do that, what you have to do is select the quantity and click on this option add to cart that you can see on the screen. Now the Christmas light will be added to the cart. Now what you have to do is view the cart. Click on the cart icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to your cart interface. You'll be able to see all the items you've added over here. What you have to do is make sure Christmas light is selected. After you do that, click on this option proceed to checkout that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to the checkout interface. In the checkout interface, what you have to do is enter your delivery address. You can see over here I've already entered it. You can also change it if you want. Now what you have to do is simply select the payment method for yourself. You'll be able to find various payment methods over here. What you have to do is click on the payment method of your choice. Here I'm just going to click on this option add a credit or debit card. Now if you also click on that option, you can see over here you'll have to add a credit or debit card over here. So what you have to do is enter your card number. After you do that, also enter the name on card. Now select the expiration date. First of all, select the month. Now what you have to do is select the year. Now also enter the security code. Simply enter the CVV or CVC over here. After you do that, click on this option, add your card that you can see on the screen. Now if the information that you provided are correct, the card will be added and you'll be able to pay with it. Additionally, if you have any gift card, voucher or promotional code, you can enter it over here. Now after you select the payment method, what you have to do is simply click on this option, use this payment method that you can see on the screen. Now pay for it, wait until the transaction is completed. After the transaction is completed, your order will be placed and you'll be able to receive your order within the estimated shipping time. So like this, you'll be able to buy the Christmas light. So that is how you buy Christmas lights on Amazon. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.